Or I thought I looked cute anyway. Sometimes I like to be reckless at night, okay? Get into it. Look at that. Hello, you guys. Look at my shoes. Happy Sunday. So this is what I wore to church. I have casual. This shirt is thrifted. These jeans are from Nordstrom. And then, of course, my Adidas. I changed so many times this morning. I didn't know what I wanted to wear. My hair is just down. You know what I realized when I had it over? It was making my forehead break out. I'm like, I'm not a teenager. Like, why is this happening? I don't know. Anyway, so I just put it down the middle and I just wore it like that today. But I feel like it looks cute, or I thought it looked cute anyway. Good morning. Okay, so did not wrap my hair up last night. Sometimes it's Saturday, so last night was Friday. I knew I wouldn't be doing much today, and I knew I was gonna wear a hat today, so I was like, I'm not going to wrap my hair up. Sometimes I like to be reckless at night, okay? Ain't nothing wrong with that. But anyway, so it's dry. So I'm just gonna spray this. Like I said, I'm wearing a hat. Let me grab it. This is a hat from H&M that you have seen in another video. I haven't worn it though in forever. I probably didn't even wear it at all last year. I don't know. Anyway, I made a lock accessory video. So this is a chocolate brown hat. It's actually a men's and it's large to fit over these locks. So I'm going to breakfast. It's my sister's birthday today. My birthday was on the 10th. So we're just going to go to breakfast. Our dad is in town from Georgia. So we're going to breakfast. And you know what? I'll just use some apricot oil just to moisturize it because I don't like for it to feel dry. We have a Friendsgiving tomorrow. One of my husband's co-workers. So I'll be going to that. So I'll wash my hair either tonight or tomorrow morning. Okay. All right. Battery dying. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So moisturized. All right, so let's put this hat on. I am just going to move it all to the back. And throw this on. Wait, I wanna move it all. Let's see how that works. It's so nice when you can just wake up and not have to worry about your hair. Just put a hat on. I think that's it, y'all. Oh my gosh. So easy. Okay. So here is the OOTD. I had black jeans on, but I didn't like those. So I took them off, put these on. These are thrifted. These are Levi's. They're actually men's, like a men's 28. But anyway, when I bought them, they didn't have any rips. I brought them home and ripped them up. Did I do this one? Yeah, I think I did all these. So I distressed it. They're men 28. The shirt, can you see the detail? Hopefully. Oh, let me go right here. Okay, the detail on the shirt, really cute. I don't know where I got it from. Long time ago. It's old, but it's cute, right? And then you saw my hat. And then I've been like on my Adidas kick. I just can't get enough of it. So that is the outfit of the day. Let me show you what I got from the thrift store yesterday. I think I might do like a thrift haul because you guys know I love thrifting. This jacket, oh my gosh. I have to wash it, but let me just try it on real quick for you so you can see how fabulous it is. And it was only $15. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, the little sleeves are, it's a medium, which is kind of big, but it's like, it'll work. Get into it. Look at that. Look how long it is. Isn't that good? $15 thrift store. All right. We're almost waiting for Sean's food. Can you turn the music off?